Back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix OnlyFans not working on mobile. So guys, if your OnlyFans is not working on the mobile, so guys you just follow this video to fix this issue. First of all guys, check the internet server. So guys, you switch your Wi-Fi and the mobile data or reset your mobile router, restart your router to fix this issue. Then guys, check online server storage, online fan server status. Visit the down detector and online OnlyFans status on X Twitter. Then you also refresh your page, close the browser and or OnlyFans app and try again. Then update your browser and the app. Use the latest version of the browser or the app of the OnlyFans. After, disable the ad blocker and the extension. So guys, ad blocker or the security extension can block OnlyFans. Last thing is guys, restart your device. A simple restart can often fix these minor glitches and the connection issues. Still having the issue? So guys, browser setting, fix access. First of all, you clear the caches. For clear the cache, go to the browser, then go for the setting and the clear the cache and the cookie side. Then enable JavaScript. So guys, only phones need the JavaScript to load properly. Disable tracking prevention. So turn off the strict tracking prevention or the enhance secure privacy. Allow pop-ups. Enable the pop-ups for the OnlyFans. So log in and check out page work. And still not working, so you guys try to incognito mode. Then VPN and DNS issue. So try to disable your VPN, try to switch your VPN and change your DNS also. And last thing is guys, payment error, how to fix it. So guys, check your card details, use another payment method, check bank restrictions and enable international transaction in your card. So these are the things that you can do. Still having the issue, so guys, you go for .helps.onlyfans.com where you can get the help from the support team and they will definitely help you. Okay, so this is the way that you can help from the OnlyFans. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.